Welcome back. The next company in today's episode is PM Relocations, which is a one-stop solution for mobility needs for someone who is relocating within India or overseas. The service portfolio of PMR includes complete household goods relocation and setting in services like home search, city orientation, cultural training, school search, and tailor-made modules to assist their clients while they settle in a new home. I visited the warehouse facility of PM Relocations earlier in Delhi, where the young 30-year-old Akansha Bhargav talked about her journey, company's performance, vision, and growth strategy. Have a look.
ट्रांसफर तुम्हारा और परेशानी मेरी, चीजें इधर उधर, आधा सामान तो टूट जाता।
शिफ्टिंग का सुनते ही ये कुछ ऐसी ही नजर आती है, लेकिन अब है इस टेंशन का एक परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन।
आपकी हर जरूरत पीएमआर समझता है।
PM Relocations is into a business where they shift almost all the household goods, and you have developed interesting modules which assist your clients while they settle in a new city. So how would you like to characterize the transition from the days you entered this business?
I would just say it's been very, very satisfying to be able to touch so many lives every day. Yeah. When we move a house, we're not just moving belongings, we're moving the entire family and their sentiments. So I think every experience that we've had so far with moving the most, smallest move to the most expensive items that somebody would have, or moving somebody to a very remote place in the world, I think we've learned every day and we are growing aggressively. My father ensured that I learned everything right from being at the job. So I started right from here, the warehouses. I moved to every city personally, understood the city, how they operate, learned how that city model works out, ensured that I handpicked my team.
What makes PM Relocation a one-stop solution for mobility with regard to anybody who is relocating within India or overseas?
I think PMR has a distinguished way of ensuring that we look after every need of a client, be it right from the time that he has to dispose of his goods to, then figuring out what he needs to move, getting his house entirely dismantled, and then giving him the exact house in the same way. So it could be anywhere in the world, but we'll make sure that you get your house in the similar manner that you gave it to us.
PM Relocations is also involved in corporate shifting and delicate fine artwork shifting across borders. So would you please tell us about the delicate handling that's involved here, and also how do you regain your customers, because it's very important to fabricate a chain of happy and satisfied customers. So how do you do that? Yes, how do you do that?
So corporate move for us is an entire office or an establishment moving, So it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because nobody likes to shut their entire office for the entire day. So, we have to start on Friday evening and we got to do everything by Sunday. So my team is on the toes. We ensure that the computers, the desktops, the servers, or the book, or their personal items are given to them the same way as they left it on a Friday. And then they've come to an office on Monday and they find everything in the same place. So, and also corporates don't move every time, but you have to ensure that you do the job right, because when they move again, hopefully they'll grow and then they would like to come back to you. And also we tie up with them for their entire employee relocation. So if their employee is relocating from Delhi to New York, then we are the preferred partners if we've done one job well. Artwork is something very, very delicate to us and very, very close to our heart, because art cannot be replicated, If something goes wrong, you cannot ask the painter to make it again. So we also have a temperature controlled warehousing where we store the artwork. We prepare in-house crates and in-house fabrication of wooden works to ensure that the art is in a safe condition. And the people who are always packing are the most trained packers that we have, who are always wearing gloves to ensure that they don't touch the art and maybe damage it or something. So yeah, I think we are definitely growing in this space. Artwork is a very niche segment. We usually cater the museums, the galleries, and a lot of HNIs who buy these high-end paintings. So yeah, I think hopefully this is going to grow a lot.
Packing and moving is no more like the olden days, and it has become a dynamic business arena. So it also offers great opportunity to grow now because people are looking for quality service providers and professional relocation service providers. So how do you plan to utilize this opportunity and tap the market potential?
I think you're absolutely right. The industry is definitely growing, but I also think that this industry will always grow because people will always be moving. India is getting really, really important. There are a lot of people who are coming back home to now join the Silicon Valley of the country and create the difference in the country. There are a lot of expats who are coming in here to now set up offices and brands that wish to come to India because you cannot ignore India anymore. So I think we're in a great space. We definitely are looking to grow the space right in the B2B market, the B2C market. We also serve a lot of embassies. We also serve a lot of expats. So yeah, I think it's a great time. We are looking to get the right talent in place. So right from the employees to the suppliers to my packers to the clients, I think all of us are pretty much at this, looking at the same goal of providing quality services.
PM Relocation's vision is to be the market leader in providing customized relocation services. So what growth prospects do you see for the company in the upcoming years, and how has been the company's growth in the recent past?
I think PMR's ultimate vision is to be the first and the most favorite choice when somebody needs to move homes. We've grown a lot as a company. When my father started this business, I'm sure he did not have the numbers in his mind, but he really wanted to just do a good job. Quality has always been our base and backbone. We live by quality, we always fight for quality. That's what we are always taught. Our teams are trained as per those same understanding and conditions. The culture of the company is that the customer has to be always communicated the right things at the right time, because communication is the backbone of this industry. We as a company started 30 years back. I joined 10 years back. We've grown from almost 35 people to 550 people today, and a top line from a 2.8 CR to close to 50 plus CR this year. And hopefully the next 3 years are going to be really, really revolutionary, where we are now bringing the retail space into the business. We've been so far servicing the B2B business. Now we are launching a platform called packmoverelocate.com, where you can reach out to us and tell us that if you need to move, you need to move your entire house, you need to move your car, or you need to put your stuff to storage. So we will be reaching out to the retail space and to one and all, where people can use the online platform to do transactions with us and use our services.
शिफ्टिंग के बाद अनपैक करते ही ये कुछ ऐसे नजर आती है, बट नॉट एनीमोर.
मेरा फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी गिफ्ट.
आपके इमोशंस पीएमआर समझता है.
Packing and moving today has placed itself in a dynamic business arena as the need for professional relocation solution is increasing day by day. Akansha Bhargav, a passionate enthusiast in the relocation industry, is highly spirited about encashing the growing opportunities by focusing on quality relocation services. With this, we come to the end of this episode. I will be back next week with the success stories of a few other SMEs. Till then, goodbye and take care.